Have you ever been on a cruise ship and started feeling sick? And now you're wondering, what do I do? Do they even sell medicine? Well, fortunately, they do. They have vending machines that sell all of the cold medicines and everything that you may need. But then they also have places like the market. And in this particular store, which is located on the promenade deck, they have everything that you need, not necessarily the alcohol, but they have cold medicines. They have everything that you need in order to feel better. My suggestion is, though, that you bring your own. So this video is about what to pack in your cruise first aid kit. Well, for us, we have Tylenol. You must always have some type of headache medicine. We have heartburn relief because you are doing a lot of eating. We have our motion sickness patches. You can get it from Amazon or a prescription from your doctor. Then there's also Theraflu. I got this one from Mexico. I also take Dayquil with me because you're never going to know what you need. And if you have any type of allergies, you should always have your allergy medicine. Additionally, Pepto-Bismol in case you have that tummy ache, some Halls in case your throat is bothering you, some Gas-X, you know why here, as well as some throat lozenges. And I also have Neosporin and a small first aid kit with Band-Aids. And last but not least, I always take a COVID test because I want to know before the ship tests me and quarantines me. I'd rather know first. Thanks for watching.